got the yummy, the yummy, the yummy.
Hi everyone! So today I will be sharing with you a what I eat in a day video, and if you do like it, please do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you! The most important meal of the day, breakfast! The first step that I do is that I toast a piece of wheat bread and I just leave it in the toaster oven while I cook my egg. For the egg, I'll be using olive oil and a piece of brown egg. I like using a cap full of olive oil, but if you prefer not to use any oil, you may also do so. And I like my egg very plain without any salt and pepper, so as you can see there. And I also pat my egg dry to remove any excess oil with a paper towel. And this is crucial for every meal that I have. I like to drink a glass of water before eating my meal. It helps me to feel full longer. And yeah, there is my breakfast. For my lunch, we're gonna be having chicken tinola. For the tinola, you're gonna want some garlic, onions, ginger, chicken thigh fillet, and something that we call here in the Philippines, dahon ng sili, and some papaya. The first step is you're gonna saute the garlic until it's golden brown. Then you can add in the onions and the ginger and just cook it until the onions become a little bit translucent. Add the chicken and then you can season it with pepper, with salt, or with us we prefer fish sauce or patis. You can add in as little or as much as you want depending on your preference. Then you just bring it to a boil. Add in the papaya afterwards and just mix it all in there. With a separate bowl, we have boiling water for the soup. After all that, you can add them all in the boiling water. Once it has come into a boil, you can add in the greens and then just wait for a few minutes until it's cooked. There you go. You have your very own chicken tinola, or at least with me, I have my chicken tinola for lunch. I like putting my brown rice in my soup to make me feel like I'm eating porridge, which makes everything easier, and I also have some grilled salmon on the side. Yum! Thank you, Lord. Snack time! So I'm gonna be having some vanilla yogurt and some apple. As you can see here, I'm just scooping up some yogurt and just putting it in my cup. Very self-explanatory. You can see me here in my Care Bears nightgown, just chopping up my apple. And I don't know, I just like apples for my snack because I believe an apple a day keeps the doctor away. And there I am, having some apple in between cutting them. And never ever forget to wash after yourselves when you use like kitchen utensils and stuff. Yeah, there you go. There I go with my apples and my vanilla yogurt. Yum! Hey. Last but not the least, dinner time. So the first step is you're gonna put a cupful of oil. As you can see what I'm doing here. You're gonna wanna grease the pan like what I'm doing. So it really depends how much protein you want, but with me, I think that would be good enough for my salad. So I use the paper towel to pat my chicken dry to remove any excess oil to make it even more healthier while I eat it with my salad later. For my dinner, I will be having some salad and some protein, as you can see there. What I put in my salad is just some greens, some cucumber, and some crab stick. You can put tomatoes, corn, whatever you may like. And for my dressing, I use this Kewpie deep roasted sesame dressing. So that salads can be fattening sometimes with the dressing. So what I suggest is that you don't put much. Like what I do, I just put like of the cap, as you can see here, and then I just drizzle it all over the salad so that everything can have some dressing. And there you go. You can also use whatever salad like dressing that you may have, like vinaigrette, Caesar, or whatever it is that you prefer. But with mine, I just like this cube like mine. I just put a little bit so it's very light to the taste, and I just put my chicken. Yeah, this is what my dinner looks like. Yeah, let's eat.